Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 79. The cuboid below, I think it's a cube, is made up of 2 centimeter cubes, and all 6 faces of the cuboid are painted. Find the ratio of the number of cubes with 3 painted faces to the number of cubes with 2 painted faces, 3 painted faces, to 2 painted faces cube to the number of cubes without any painted faces in the simplest form. Alright. 这个长方体啊，这里我画出来的是一个正方体，但是不重要，不重要 ，OK？ 它组合成的是这种2 centimeter cube 啊。2 centimeter cube, 2 啊，画的不是很好 ，Alright， 但是你们能理解就好了 ，OK。And 他说我要找到的是什么 ？The ratio, the answer is a ratio. 3 painted faces cubes, number of 3 painted faces cubes, 2 painted faces cubes, and 2 cubes without any painted faces。OK， 为了帮助大家去理解这个题to help you guys to understand this question more properly. Okay, this is the Rubik's Cube here. 什么叫做 three painted faces? Let's have a look. 在我们看到这里叫做 three painted faces cube here. 1, 2, 3, and other faces are not unpainted. Alright, 这是我们的 three painted faces cubes. And about the 2 painted faces cubes 是哪一种啊？ It's here. 1, 2, you see? 1, 2. 在中文里边，我们把这种叫做什么？叫做棱块啊，它是一个棱上边的。And for this, we call in Chinese, we call it 角块，这种叫做角块。And cubes without any painted faces. 那这个只能通过想象了。为什么 ？In the Rubik's cube, there's no other small cubes inside the Rubik's cube. So you just need to imagine. Alright. 那么现在我们来看 for 一个六面体 for 一个 cuboid or for a big cube number of 我们先来算一个这样子吧 total number 放在旁边 OK total number of cubes As we can see, 这边有几个4个 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4 Length, breadth, and height are 4 So 4 times 4 times 4 Total number of cubes 64 And cubes with 3 painted faces 我们来看这里跟这里是一样的一个两个这后边有一个3 4在角上面5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 there is a one there's one behind alright and we can see but we can imagine alright so it is 8 and for cubes with 2 painted faces 那在哪里啊 OK 这是棱块了对吧两个 painted faces 这里一个 1 2 OK 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 对吗？不对，为什么呢？因为我们还有看不见的地方，在后边还有，所以说 for the bottom layer and the top layer there are 8 cubes each. So 8 plus 8, top and bottom. And for the vertical edge, there are 4 vertically. There are 4 vertical edges. So for each edge, there are 2. So plus 2 times 4. A plus A plus A. A times 3 equals 24. And, okay, 8 and 24. And we can see cubes. One more. 加细了. One more question. I ask you guys. Cubes with only one painted face. How many cubes with only one painted face? 这个东西在我们的魔方里边，这种叫做面块啊，面。在这样子这一块上面 ，only one face is painted. For this cube, only one face is painted. Alright? So 在这里有1个、2个、3个、4个 for each face. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many faces for the big cuboid, or we call it big cube? There are 6. So 6 times 4. 24. 24 cubes with one painted face. Okay. And cubes without any painted faces. Painted face. We can use 64 minus 8 minus 24 minus 24. That is 64 minus 56. All right. We can add up cubes with 3 painted faces, with 2 painted faces, and with 1 painted face. Here, we add up 3 together, and we got 8. All right. And now we can answer the question. The ratio is 3 painted faces, which is 8, to 2 painted faces, which is 24, to cubes without any painted face. That is 8. 8 to 24 to 8. Simplest form for this ratio is 1 to 3 to 1. Alright. That is the answer. 通过这一道题 you must be familiar with small cube with 3 painted faces, which is 棱块 here, 棱块 and 角块 sorry, 角块 and cubes with 2 painted faces, 棱块 and cube with 1 painted face here, 面块对于魔方来说，好吗？这会是一个挺挑战的题目，所以说我录的这个视频比较长，希望通过这道题你们能够理解这样子的题型应该怎么去想。Okay? That is all for this question. Thanks for watching. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.